Goodness and Mercy Ministries church leader Tapiwa Freddy, who stands accused of rape, allegedly had sex with his victim only during her menstrual periods. This emerged at the Harare Magistrates Court where Prophet Freddy appeared on rape charges. Freddy was not asked to plead when he appeared before Harare Magistrate Dennis Mangasi, who released him on free bail because he was coming from home and not from police custody. It is the state case that in July 2021, Freddy visited the complainant again and tried to have sexual intercourse with her, but the complainant discovered that the accused manhood had a sore and she refused to sleep with him. Freddy allegedly returned the following day and forced the complainant to have sexual intercourse with him. The court heard that the two are former lovers and had known each other since the days Freddy had some music projects with the complainant at her workplace. It is alleged that in November 2019 the complainant's husband got sick and she approached Freddy for financial assistance. Freddy gave the complainant $2,500 to foot her husband's medical expenses. The complainant accompanied her husband to Karanda Hospital for treatment where he subsequently passed away. Freddy assisted the complainant by meeting transport expenses for the transportation of her deceased husband from Karanda Hospital to Harare. It is reported that after about 3 months Freddy proposed love to the complainant. She allegedly refused because her tradition could not allow her to indulge in love affairs before the cleansing of her late husband. The state further alleged that in November 2020 at an unknown date, the two went to the complainant's rural home in Shiendambuya to see her child. That same day at around 7:30 p.m., the two returned to the complainant's house in Harare where Freddy went to the bedroom and allegedly told her that he was now her husband. The complainant turned him down, the court heard. Despite the complainant's refusal, the court heard that Freddy allegedly went on to undress.